Dear customer, we are going to inspect your order of automatic nylon zipper hole punching machine with standard configuration. For this machine, if for 60 cm zipper, the output is 3,800 pieces for 1 hour. As you can see, here is the outlook of this machine. Here is the zipper sample of your accessory order. As you can see in the last video, we already gapping and then fill sealing on it. You can see that. Gapping and fill sealing. And now we are going to make the hole punching. Here is the side wheel of this machine. Here is the electric bolts of this machine. Okay. Here is the control of this machine. You can see in the side wheel, there is the name plate of this machine. You can see the model number is QLQ HPM, series number is HT190407. If in the future have any problem about this machine, please contact with us and provide the model number and series number for us. Then we will check it and solve the problems for you. Thank you. Okay, let's show you the working situation about this machine. As you can see, there is the manual and the auto way, and we will show you the details about the two ways in the next video. Okay, we will start the machine for you. Okay, first turn on, and you can see the fan. This fan already working. And now we make it auto one and then push start. You can see it's working fast. It is very fast, as you can see. Okay, we will stop and we will show you the working situation. We will show you the results. Okay. Yes, it is hole punching. The back side, the front side. Okay, very beautiful. Thank you.